This is the Honda Clarity, and if you need to reset the tire pressure, you get a tire pressure warning. So you need to first turn on the ignition or turn on the car in order to get the access to the infotainment screen, and then go home. You go home, you choose settings, then vehicle, and here in the very first tab is TPMS calibration. So you press TPMS calibration and press calibrate, and it will start the process of calibration. So it's not the immediate calibration, and you see results when you drive about 30 minutes accumulated driving, not 30 minutes without a stop, of course, but you will drive several miles the first trip, several miles in the second trip. It will accumulate to about 30 minutes of driving, and your TPMS will recalibrate. If you still get this warning, then the problem is not with the calibration of the TPMS sensors, but with the sensors themselves. So you need to probably replace these sensors because they have small batteries in them, and these batteries are not eternal. They will last about 4 or 5 years, and then they will just die, and you will need new sensors because these batteries, in most cases, you can't change the battery, you can't replace the batteries, you will just need the new sensors.